Valentine's Day is right around the corner, a time when people send cards and love notes to express their feelings. And while I love writing letters and cards, I think love can be expressed in many ways, including art. Art can be a love letter in itself. In fact, throughout history, artists have used art to convey emotions, to make others feel seen, to capture beauty that words can't fully express. And you don't need to be an artist to express love creatively. During the Victorian era, people created something called a puzzle purse. It's a folded note with little poems and illustrations, and these origami-like love notes were especially popular for Valentine's Day, with secret messages revealed layer by layer. So this week, I thought it would be fun to recreate a Victorian puzzle purse and hopefully inspire you to create your own. To fold paper and make it into a Victorian puzzle purse, you will need a square piece of paper. Here I have a piece of paper which is 9 by 9 inches. First, fold the paper diagonally in half to make a triangle. Unfold, repeat for the other corner. Then we're going to fold the paper into thirds, vertically and then horizontally. And to help with that, you can mark each side of the paper divided in thirds. So for me, every 3 inches, I do a little mark, and then it'll be easier to have a reference to fold the paper in thirds correctly. So now you have a paper divided into 9 equal boxes. Turn over the square and fold the top left-hand corner to the bottom right-hand corner of the central box. Unfold and repeat for all the corners, and then unfold again. Turn the paper over again, and now it's sort of the tricky part. Holding on to the corners of the paper, gently push them in a round clockwise manner, making a pinwheel. And the last step is to fold the arms of the pinwheel. So you fold them on each other in a circle, and the final arm should tuck in under the first arm. And there you have it. So I didn't add any words inside my puzzle purse because I'm not sending it to anyone. But I think it's such a sweet, romantic idea for Valentine's Day, or any day actually. You know, love can be celebrated any day of the year. It's just a sweet thing. I guess I'm kind of old-fashioned that way. I love letters and things. You really make it your own. I've used colored pencils inside, and I used graphite for the middle message, which I don't recommend using graphite. Of course it smudges. Colored pencils works really well. You could use paints like watercolor or gouache or maybe acrylic paint even. You could make a collage. You could use stickers. You could just, you know, write pen doodles and sweet words or poems. You could really make it your own. It's such a versatile little thing. And yeah, so let me know in the comments if you have ever made a Victorian puzzle purse, or if you want to try it this year for Valentine's Day, or like I said, any other occasion. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you watched till the end. If you did, why don't you put a little heart emoji in the comments? And yeah, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next week in a new video. Bye!